Hey there, Sales Funnel Nerd here. Welcome to day 5 of your Sales Funnel Bootcamp. Today we're going to be talking about laying out your blog. This is going to be the last day of talking about blogs, websites. We're going to be moving on to tools and some other cool stuff tomorrow. But today we're just going to talk about some blog layout options for you to consider here. So in your blog posts themselves, right? If you're going to have a blog, you're going to have blog posts. What you want to try to do is in your blog posts have some way to launch people off to other funnels, or have some way to capture lead information from people who are just first-time visitors. So they read your awesome article on your blog. At the end, there's a link or something that they can click on that says, hey, do you want this blog post in a PDF format? Do you want to get my handy guide that shows you 5 ways to double or triple your conversions or your business income? Something that's going to get them to want to opt in and get on your list, essentially. Now, another nice thing to include with your blog is some type of origin story. I have this on mine as well. Probably could use a touch-up, maybe make it a little bit better, but this is what actually shows people that it's not some faceless website, that there's actually a human being behind it. And not only just a human being, having your origin story lets them get to know you, understand what you're about, relate to you as a person, and come to know, like, and trust you. And those are all important things. So do include some type of backstory, origin story, just so that people can know that there's someone, actually a human being there on the other side. The next thing is to have some type of links on the sidebar. Now I'll show you, we'll cut over to my website here, my blog, and I'll show you kind of how I have these laid out. But we have some links on the sidebar that I use, and then as well some kind of static links along the top on what I just call it the menu on the top on the blog there. So I'm going to show you what each one of those looks like on mine and what I use them for here, just to kind of give you some examples and show you how that works. So if we go over here inside of our blog dashboard, if we go into, there's 2 different areas. So if we go into appearance, everything that's on the sidebar are widgets, and everything along the top is menus. So if I go into widgets here, you can see it shows my sidebar, and then it shows all this kind of stuff here, all these different things, mostly just text box. But what that is just some links, usually so a little tiny snippet of code that's going to link people to certain things. So you can see here's what's going on. I've got all these different things in my sidebar. So if we look, what does it look like in real life? And here we can see. So you can see the first thing I've got is a link to my book. Then underneath that, we've got some funnel blueprints for people, a resource guide, and then a couple affiliate links. And you can see I've got some recent posts for people to check out and read if they want. As well, they've got my certification badge and then another affiliate link here. So on the top, you can see I was talking about there's the origin story. Here I've got a link for people if they want to get some done for you service, and then how to contact me. And that's it. That's really all. I mean, some people will have a way better, way fancier blog, but it gets me free leads pretty much every day. I get people signing up for sales funnel quotes, people buying my book from here. So, all this stuff serves a purpose. I'm not really too concerned with the aesthetics and the layout of it. It just kind of needs to do the job. But that's really all that I have set up here. So that's it. All you need to do as far as just putting in certain sidebar items. And I will see you in the next video.